What is peppermint oil good for? In this video, I'm going to be covering 7 uses for peppermint essential oil coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing some great diffuser recipes with peppermint essential oil. Now let's jump into the video. So our first use for peppermint is for headaches. It is incredible for headaches. I personally use peppermint for this reason quite often. To apply the peppermint for a headache, you would simply massage 1 to 2 drops into your temples, above your ears, and the base of your skull. You just want to make sure that you avoid getting the peppermint in your eyes if you can help it. Our second use for peppermint is for digestive upset. For this, you would want to drink 1 to 2 drops in some water or massage it directly over your stomach. I personally apply it neat to my skin, meaning without diluting it at all. But if you have a really sensitive skin or if you're applying it on a little one, I would suggest diluting it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. Now I have 5 more great uses of peppermint to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the peppermint essential oil that you're using is very important, especially if you're going to be taking it internally. A lot of essential oils say not to ingest the essential oil internally, so you want to make sure that you are using a brand of oil that is safe and actually recommended to take internally. I personally take essential oils internally all the time, but I've done a lot of research on the purity of different oils, and I really encourage you to research it as well. And if you would like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, our third use for peppermint essential oil is to help with clear breathing. So whether you're using this for asthma or a cough or other breathing issues, you would diffuse the peppermint, or you can apply 2 drops with a carrier oil to your chest and back or to the bottom of your feet. Our fourth use for peppermint oil is for bad breath. You probably never have an issue with this one, right? Well, if you happen to notice that you or maybe someone around you has bad breath, you can use peppermint essential oil for this as well. You can just drop a drop in your mouth or just lick a dab from your finger, or you can gargle a drop with some water. Our fifth use for peppermint is for low energy and mental fog. For some more alertness and energy, try drinking 1 to 2 drops in water or diffuse it in the air, or you can rub a little bit under your nose and on the back of your neck. Use number 6 for peppermint is muscle and joint pain. For this, you would rub a drop or 2 diluted with a carrier oil into the achy or sore areas. And then our last use for peppermint oil for this video is fevers. Again, I personally use peppermint each of these 7 uses, including for fevers, and it works incredibly well for me. For fevers, you would apply 1 to 2 drops to the back of your neck, on your spine, and on the bottom of your feet for the cooling effect that it's going to give you. Now, I've linked up the peppermint oil that I personally use below this video, so if you'd like to check it out some more, feel free to do so. And like I mentioned, I also have a couple great diffuser recipes with peppermint essential oil to share with you now. But if you are someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and hoodies and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now, our first diffuser recipe is called Deep Focus. For this diffuser blend, you're going to be using 5 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of lemon, and 2 drops of frankincense in your diffuser. And our second diffuser blend is called Breath of Fresh Air. And for this one, you'll be using 4 drops of peppermint oil, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 3 drops of lemon oil in your diffuser. Now, if you would like a free ebook of some incredible recipes for coughs, colds, congestion, and more, some of which also have the peppermint in them, then check out the link in the description below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about the best essential oils for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.